Hello friends, welcome to the video tutorial. Now today I will be talking about one of the most important challenge of WHO, that is polio. Actually polio is the short form of the poliomyelitis, which is an infectious disease. In this picture you can see the few patients of the polio. Why polio is so serious? Because it causes the weakness of the joints, and due to this weakness few of the patient dies also. It is found that the few patients become completely handicapped, few become the little bit less handicapped, but in some case it is found that the people have fully recovered from the polio. Now what is the causative agent of the polio? Polio is caused by one of the RNA virus, that is poliovirus. It is also called as the enterovirus C, because it primarily attacks on the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is the digestive tract of a person, so it enters from the mouth into the human and it causes the alimentary canal infection, and this infection can be seen from few hours to the few days after attack of the virus. There is only and only one method to prevent from the polio, that is vaccine, because vaccine causes the immunization of a human body. If vaccine is not given, you can see what happens. These are the few patients of the polio. The pictures are taken from the internet sources. Now I will be talking about the polio vaccine. There are various types of the various type of the vaccines, in which the polio vaccine is the attenuated form of the vaccine. As it is attenuated means the killed, or you can say the trapped form, in which the virus or whatever infectious agent is there, it becomes inactivated, so it must be given again and again. You might have seen that the people are sitting on the railway platform near the schools in your locality and giving vaccine again and again. So if it is given again and again, it boosts up the immunity of a person and reduces the chances of the polio. The vaccine was first introduced in the year 1954, and it is found that it is eliminating the disease. In the year 1988, the patient reduced to 125, and in the 2006 it further reduced only 4 patients. Pulse polio immunization program was launched in India in the year 1995. Now you might have seen that the vaccines are given to the young children again and again. Why? Because the disease can attack more and more to the 6 months to the 3 years baby, so it is very important to complete the 3 doses of the vaccine before the 6 months, because from the 6 months till 3 years the children are at high risk of the polio. Now polio dose, we all know that the polio is the oral dose. So a oral polio vaccine is given immediately after birth. Immediately after delivery, it is recommended to give the polio vaccine to the child. WHO has launched one of the immunization program, in which 3 mandatory primary doses are compulsory given to each and every child within the 6 months. So the first dose given in the 6 weeks, then second dose is preferable to give into the 12th week, and third dose must be given between 18 to 24 weeks, and thereafter a booster dose must be given between the 12 months to the 18 months. In India, children under the 5 years are given extra booster doses every January and December fixed dates. India has followed some strategies for complete eradication of the polio. This includes the observation of the pulse polio immunization days every year till the polio is eradicated, sustain the high level of routine immunization coverage. You might have seen that the India is very sincere about the polio, and they monitor the OPV coverage at all levels. You will find them in the hospitals, near the railway stations, school, locality, everywhere. The people are doing the oral polio doses. Even in our college also, students are going to give the oral polio vaccine, detecting all the cases of acute flaccid paralysis, because it is the first case of first primarily symptoms of the polio. So whatever cases are there, it is very important to take their stool routinely and separate the virus, follow up of all cases of AFP. Now, control measure to stop transmission of the virus. It is very important because this virus transmit from the one person to the another person. So, whoever suspected patients are there, the virus primarily attacks, as I told you, to the alimentary canal. So, definitely the virus will transfer from the stool. So, it is very important to separate the virus. Now, what is the outcome of this program? So there is a significant decline in the incidence of the poliomyelitis in India. Hardly any case is found, because continuously our country is ready to fight against the polio, and we find that every child is given the polio dose, and they mark on their finger and they check whether the polio vaccine is given or not given. So government is serious. Now it is our responsibility to be serious, to give the polio dose to our child. Thank you friends for watching. Hope you like this video.